everyone, welcome to Partner Belajar video. So in this video, we are going to learn about order of integers. Okay, let's start from the first one, about number. What is number? I'm pretty sure that we have seen numbers every day, everywhere. But now let's think, what is number? Okay, number is an answer of some kind of questions about how many, how much, which are bigger than or smaller than. Okay, and now, how many types of numbers that you know? I will give you some kind of numbers. Yep, if you can see on the screen, there are 2, 1 over 2, 1.8, 3 over 16, negative 3, 15%, 0.3, and 100. Okay, so these are different numbers, right? So if we group it into some group, we will get here, this one. So 200 and negative 3 are integers, and then 1.8 and 0.3 is decimal, 15% is percentage, and the other type is a fraction. Good job! Now we are going to learn about one type of numbers only. What's that? Integers. You are correct. Okay, so now what is integers? If you can remember, here we have a number line. Okay, and let's put the number. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on until infinity. This number is some part of integers. We call the number is positive number. Okay, so the number on the right side of 0, we call it positive number. And now, what if the number is on the left side of 0? Yep, we call it negative number. It will start from negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on until negative infinite. Okay, and if you can see here, negative number and positive number are opposite each other. Okay, so to make it easier, let's see some sample. Okay, let's see the examples. So 1 is the opposite of negative 1, and negative 10 is the opposite of 10. It means positive is the opposite of negative, and negative is the opposite of positive. Okay, now let's move about comparing. So how to compare? First, we need to know what is comparing numbers. So comparing numbers mean determine which number is bigger and smaller than the others. In here, we really need number line to help us. Okay, if you can see the number line. Okay, if the number is positive or on the right of the number line, the position is on the right of the number line, it means become greater or become bigger. But if the number is on the left side of the number line, it means the number become smaller. Okay, so let's see. To make it easier, the examples, yeah? 3 and 1. Remember, we need the number line. And see, where is 3? So we can see here, 3 is on the right side of 1 in the number line. The position of 3 is on the right side of 1. So it means 3 is bigger than 1. Good job. Now let's see with this one. Negative 3 and negative 1. So the position is negative 3 is on the left side. So what does that mean? Yup, negative 3 is less than negative 1. Good job. And now, what about this one? 25 and negative 2. If the number is different, it's quite easy, right? Because the positive is always on the right side and the negative is always on the left side. So it means if the question is the positive, it means, yep, the positive is greater than the negative. So the answer will be 25 is more than negative 2. Good job. And now, what about this one? Okay, if we use number line, it's quite hard, right? How about just see this one? Negative 39 and negative 13. Which is more negative? The more negative is negative 39, right? It's more. Okay, and now the more negative the number is, the more on the left side. Good job. It means negative 39 is less than negative 13. Yup, that's correct. Give applause for yourself. Okay, let's continue to ordering numbers. Okay, in ordering integer, let's see an example. We will need this one, the number line. And remember, if the number is on the right side, it means the numbers become bigger or greater. And if the number is on the left side, it means the number is become smaller. Good job. Okay, now let's see these examples. We have several numbers. We have 25, negative 39, negative 3, negative 2, 3, and negative 13. Okay, now what we should do with this number? First, let's see the negative one. So here I mark the negative one. And then let's see. Become smaller is mean more negative. Remember? More negative. Which one is the most negative? More negative than the others? Of course, the negative 39, right? So, the smaller will be negative 39. And then, see, between negative 3, negative 2, and negative 13. Which is the most negative? Good job, negative 13. Yep, that's correct. And then, now compare between negative 3 and 2. Of course, negative 3 is more negative than negative 2. Because negative 3 is on the left side. Good job. And then we have negative 2. Now, the positive one, it's quite easy, right? Yep, we know how to compare the positive number. So then 3 and 25. So if we ordering the number from the smallest, it will be negative 39, negative 13, negative 3, negative 2, 3, and 25. Good job! So remember, what? The more positive the number, or if the number is on the right side, it means the number become bigger or greater. But if the numbers is on the left side and more negative, it means the numbers become smaller. Good job. It's easy, right? I'm pretty sure that you will understand about this topic. And yep, that's all for this video, and see you on the other video. Bye-bye.